Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Regal TourX. The Buick Regal TourX provides all the functionality you could ever want from a vehicle. Large amounts of cargo room, plenty of headroom and legroom in both rows, and a look that stands out from the rest are all reasons to check this vehicle out. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, remote engine start, air conditioning, cruise control, anti-theft security system, floor mats, keyless start, fog lamps. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.